Hey, Skeleton Key, I've got something to share. Wait, is it pudding? Well, no, but I'm thinking of taking a dance class after this competition. Wanna see my moves so far? Sure, I guess. Did you enjoy that? No! Time for the elimination. Safe contestants will get part of a lamp. Living room, motherboardy, and Lil Fillion are all safe with 0 votes, along with Skeleton Key, Fountain of Youth, and Red Ice. It's between you two. And Dory has 4 votes, and Daybreaker has 3. Well, bye everyone. Teenage Gia! What? We need to fix Droney. Yeah, in episode 3, he said nothing but no. And in episode 4, he said nothing but yes. And in episode 6, he only said maybe. Don't forget when in episode 2, when he didn't say anything at all. Challenge time! Today's challenge is to fix Droney! No, it's to watch the 4th season of Sailor Moon, the first episode of it to be exact. It's kinda hard to watch, so yeah, go. So. I'm scared. What type of concept even is this? The villain's hairstyles are so. That villain's voice is so annoying. I'm not an ASMR lover. See? I'm far from being one. Droney, wake up, please! Pinwheel, you need to watch the show no matter what. You're disqualified from this challenge. Okay, for some reason, all of Lost and Forgotten fainted while watching it, so they lose. The entirety of my team fainted too, except for me, SCP-001, when the day breaks. It was so sad seeing my little buddies faint. I can't describe my words of pain right now. We must create something more powerful than words to describe my feelings. Action, 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 action.